Amy Kellogg has more from Florence, Italy.
John, Pope Francis today prayed for people who are sad and who are scared about what the future holds for them economically and otherwise. We are all too aware of the problems caused by this pandemic in the developed world, including desperation and poverty. But imagine what it's like for those who live in very dire circumstances to begin with in war-torn countries or places with drought. COVID-19 may be the straw that breaks the camel's back for many people, pushing as many as 130 million additional people into an acute hunger situation around the world, according to the World Food Program. This as Africa braces for the worst. Cases on the continent have risen 40% in the last 10 days, and healthcare systems are not equipped. Here you see the Red Cross handing out food in Nigeria. The World Food Program, already feeding millions, is helping many countries prepare for worsening conditions under COVID-19. They're prepositioning supplies, both food and medical, getting components for field hospitals ready to ship out. World Food depends on donations, and they warn if it doesn't come through from donor countries, perhaps swamped by their own domestic problems, the result could be deadly.
Before COVID even hit, we have 135 million people around the world marching toward the brink of starvation because of wars and conflicts and weather extremes and deteriorating conditions in many different countries. And now on top of this, COVID. This is a catastrophe.
And John, there are a lot of other factors right now in the mix. For example, South Sudan, beyond having conflict, derives 95% of its income from oil, and the price of oil has fallen, so there's that. Then Ethiopia depends on tourism for 50% of its GDP. That is all but dead now. And finally, think of all the children around the world who rely on school lunches, often for their one nutritional meal of the day. And now with schools being suspended and quarantines in place, that is simply not happening. John.
Amy Kellogg. Amy, thank you.